If you want to learn how to insert a table in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to add a table to your document, whether you're creating notes, reports, lists, or any kind of formatted content. This is a simple but very useful skill, and once you know it, you can build cleaner and more professional documents in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll usually see the Start Center where you can choose what kind of file you want to create. On the left side, under Create, click Write a Document. This opens a new blank document in LibreOffice Writer, which is where you'll add your table. Now move your cursor to the exact spot in the document where you want the table to appear. This is important because the table will be inserted right where your cursor is placed. So if you want it near the top, click near the top. If you want it in the middle of a paragraph or below some text, make sure the cursor is in the correct position before going any further. Next, look at the top menu bar and click Table. This menu contains options for creating and managing tables inside your document. From there, click Insert Table. A small window will appear where you can set up your table before it is added to the page. In the Insert Table window, you'll see options for the number of columns and rows. Columns go vertically down the page, while rows go horizontally across the page. Enter the number you need based on what you want your table to look like. For example, if you want a simple layout for names and details, you might use 2 or 3 columns. If you need more space for data, you can increase the number of rows as needed. Take a moment to double-check your settings before you continue. This is the part where you decide the size and structure of the table, so make sure it matches what you need for your document. Once everything looks correct, click Insert. LibreOffice will now place the table directly into your document. You can click inside each cell and start typing right away. From here, you can build out your content, add headings, organize information, and format the table however you like. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a table in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a few steps, but it can make your documents much easier to read and much more professional looking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.